Hello guys, long time no see. My name is Amelia Triananda.
My name is Siti Salviasari.
My name is Siti Hutsia.
We are from the 6th group. We would like to presentation about human digestive system. Okay, the first is discussion. The digestive system is a series of organ network that have a function to digest food. This food will be processed mechanically or chemically. Mechanical digestion is digestion that occurs in the stomach involving physical movement in the body. This digestive goal is to change the size of food molecules into smaller or smoother forms, while chemical digestion is digestion involving enzymes. The main function of this system is to provide food, water, and electrolytes for the body of a nutrient and is digested so it is ready to be absorbed. Digestive tract arrangement 1. Oris or oral cavity 2. Is esophagus or esophagus 3. Is gaster or stomach. The gaster or gastric is part of a channel that can expand the most, especially in the epigaster area. The stomach consists of the top of uterine fundus associated with esophagus through the orificium of the pylori, located under the diagram in front of the pancreas, and the spleen attached to the left of the uterine fundus. The stomach section consists of ventriculi fundus, ventriculi corpus, pylorus, antrum, curvatura minor, and curvatura major. Function of the stomach: accommodating food, destroying and softened by peristaltic stomach and stomach sac. The function of stomach acts as a killer of germs or poison that goes with food and to treat for food so that is easy to guess.
The number 4 is pancreas. The function of the pancreas is very important in the digestive system and metabolism. Besides being able to produce hormone, the pancreas also has main function organ that produce enzyme. The next is intestinum minor. Intestinum minor is part of the pylorus in the genital food passing system and on a supply of 6 mm is the long channel where the digestive process and absorption of digestive result consisting of small intestine layer. The next is intestinum major. The large intestine of intestinal major is 1/4 m layer of long intestine for the outside, slender membrane, circular mucosal layer, extending mucosal layer, containing tissue. Many bacteria contained in the larger intestine function to digest several ingredients and help absorb nutrients. This bacterium is also important for the normal function in the intestine. Larger intestinal function consisting of absorb water from food, bacterial E. coli residents, and feces.
The digestive systems focus a major role on function to convert from in the nutrients needed by the body. Nutrients from digestion will then serve as a source of energy and nutrients for the development of body, cells, and humans. When digestion process incomplete, the digestive organs will the more easily pass so food waste to the process of feces.
Okay, I think enough. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.